But it all can't be loafing around in bikinis in paradise. Can it, Ken?
Why not?
We have to work. And, well, we have to do chores as well as, you know, our business. Thank you, Starling. But anyway, Ken today is fixing the dinghy upholstery, which is looking a bit shabby.
Reupholstering the dinghy seats because they were falling apart. Not really reupholstering, fixing, re-sewing the seams.
So tell me, obviously this is a sewing machine. But tell me what's so...
It's a what's it flabbergaster.
I knew that there was some nautical term I was missing.
Yeah.
What's so special about this sewing machine?
It's a Sailrite, a professional sewing machine. It's really good, solid, lots of features.
So it can get through a lot of layers of canvas and stuff.
Canvas, good stitch quality.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Cool. Carry on then. We've had our Sailrite sewing machine for a few years. They have great how-to videos. So good, I even made these drapes in our old home with it.
I went through all the seams and just doubled them up so they don't fall apart. We shall see. The hard part's putting it back together. Stapling plastic. That's not the easiest.
Yes, glad to see you're tidying as you go.
Of course, clean as you go. Fraud prevention.
Stuck in the islands, as we most fortunately are, you just can't order things on Amazon, or you can't find upholsterers to do this kind of thing, so you need to do them yourselves. And when I say yourselves,
She means me.
I mean Ken.
I doubled all these stitches.
It's not like professional quality or anything.
Yeah, but what did you do? Oh yeah, okay.
And the ones that were broken, and then I redid these all together.
Yeah, well that'll hold. Perfect.
For a while. Sure how long.
Very good. So now you've got to put it back together. Ooh, you need a nice cup of tea. Of course, we all contribute to the boat chores, except for one very lazy passenger.